Hi guys, welcome back to another video, Simplex Tech. Today's video is about an Miui 10 has got a stable update for Redmi 5A, which is my phone. Okay, and many features are changed and many disadvantages for this stable update. So guys, let's get started.
Audio Jungle.
So the previous was developer version I installed it on this device, which is the beta version of the MIUI 10. And the second thing is coming to stable version, coming to MIUI line is quite different on this device. Even changes the beta version is quite good, better than this. In this beta, I think this version is has lots of not any features on this device in the MIUI stable version. So in the compared to that, the beta version is quite good in that way, I guess. So let's go there.
What's new? As previous, the beta version as the same as the full screen experience, natural sound, and improves light bud. And talking about home screen is quite same as the previous one, not changes at all. The previous was the same, like in a MIUI line and MIUI 10 also same. And coming to the system speed up, according to system performance was good, but if taking settings also take 1 second of time. If you're opening Instagram, it will take quite a little bit of time. Maybe the internet speed also, right? And some changes in the MI clock application. So as you can see, this is the main clock application. You can see the countdown is going on. So if I click the sunlight thing, it is the always screens on, and if I put the bell icon, it turns the alarm or have to finish the countdown. Google Assistant is back in the stable version. As you can see, if I click home button, it goes to Google Assistant, and previous one if I click home kick, it goes to MI browser. As well as changes in MI stable. Battery backup, make your choice, it's a good or bad. My choice is very good, but quite performance is low. So still they didn't update the security patch level. Why MIUI? So as you can see, the patch level on the stable version is as you can see, the patch level is I can't say anything. I finally broke my glass.
In the next video I'm going to upload 8.11.15 version. I guess that is Oreo version which is installed on the Redmi 5. I recently got the update for the Redmi 5 Oreo version. So guys, I'm very happy and excited. So guys, thanks for watching guys. If you like the video, make sure like, share your friends, and make sure comment down below, and make sure subscribe. This links will be on the link will be description. The MIUI updates also link would be description, and see you next video. Bye.